Hey, this is Tejal from Sanmo Software, and in today's video we'll see how to add purchase invoice types. So let's start. Just click on purchase module, then select purchase invoice type submodule. Click on the four dots, more options. You will see add type option over there. From the same menu, you can also export the list of Excel, CSV and PDF. To create a new purchase invoice type, just click on add type option. Enter the required details such as description, GL, and keep active as yes and click on save button. Once saved, the entry will appear on the index page. From the action column, you can perform view, edit and delete operations. You can also use filters to filter a specific purchase invoice type entries. This is how you can quickly filter your purchase invoice type entries. If you get any queries while adding this purchase invoice types, then please connect us at contact us@sunmosoftware.com. See you in the next video.